I am the ruler. Not even my father can stop me. Nobody at all.
You are standing before Okoshi's one of a Titi kingdom. Maumwali Bubu, and you are doing Niyenja. So you don't know how to greet a king when you see one.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Again?
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Louder.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
I can't hear you.
Greetings, Your Majesty. Hey.
Chika, you are so lucky that Roland did not send his boys to teach you a lesson. If you know what those people did to me this afternoon, my eyes saw the back of my head. That guy is so mean.
I even had in mind to do that in his father's house.
Roland, he has no conscience. I can't even wait for his elder brother to come back so they can resolve all these issues they're having in the palace.
I don't know that one, no.
Yeah? You don't know Prince John? He's such a nice person, very cool-headed, not like that useless Roland. Eh?
There will be trouble in this palace if Igwe did not stop Roland in time before it's too late.
See you, there is fire on the mountain already. Anybody that do anything wrong, Roland will teach that person a lesson in this place.
I heard he had a hand in Onowu and Chief Honora's disappearance. Is it true?
You say I'm a boy. So I heard too, and I heard that Igwe summoned him too.
Rolando. Father, greetings.
Roland, why have you chosen to humiliate me?
How did I humiliate you, Father?
All this thing you are putting on is for what? Do you think that one can be a king when his father is still alive?
Father, forget about that old mentality. I came to you, I begged you like son and father. Step aside, okay? I have modern things I want to infuse into kingship. Let me walk. You are too old for this game. You are becoming weak and
Will you shut up? Shut up!
You can't shut me up like that. Obi is no longer a ball.
Roland, I'm giving you 24 hours. Pull off all this. Stop parading yourself as a king. Pull off all this. Take it off.
Mekwe can you? Meye can you?
I'm so giving you from now till evening to release the Chienduka and the Chuanora, because I know you are the reason behind the adoption.
Come on, can you? Let's go.
My friends, you're welcome.
It is only the lake that soil is mud, enjoys everything. What a good end, what a good
Honorable Commissioner, there is a kidnapper in town. Yes, I saw him today. You know those people that will come and be dressing like Yahoo boys, confusing people that they are doing Yahoo. Meanwhile, they are kidnappers. I saw one today. Don't worry. I will send you all the information. We will make sure he's brought to book and he will spend the rest of his life in jail. That is if he survives it. They can't spoil our community. I will send you the details and every other thing. Don't forget to send me that your account again. Let me service it. It's been a while. Alright. John, I will make sure you rot in jail.
What kind of madness is that? You tell me, who made him the king of this land when my father and I are still alive? I couldn't believe what I heard. What has come over him?
Your brother Roland has brought shame to this family.
Father, I will not allow it. I will nip him in the bud.
And you think it's that easy? Is that why you came back in the first place?
Mother, tell me, whose house will hear his house is on fire and will go about chasing rats? This is my inheritance we're talking about.
John, please calm down. Your father said you should allow him to handle it the way he's doing. And I don't want you to end up having problem with your brother.
Who cares? Mother, who cares? You're sounding as if Roland is my elder brother. No, he is my younger brother. And we're talking about my inheritance here, for God's sake. What the hell is wrong with him?
Son, I don't want you to do anything yet. I will fix this.
Father, you are petting this guy. Allow me deal with him. Allow me put him where he belongs.
Will you keep quiet? What is the matter with you? Your father said you should allow him to handle it the way he's doing. Meanwhile, the throne is not even yours yet. But it's your father's. What is the matter with you? Why are you wrecking? Please!
You want to be our king? By fire, by force, why? Father and son at war, serious fight. Father and son at war, serious fight. This is not pleasant at all. Don't start what you cannot finish.
George, which is your highness?
I hope all is well.
All is well, your highness. Onowu and Ichi Honora are back. They returned this morning.
Really?
Yes, your highness. It is true. Even though I've not been to the houses to confirm the information, I was told that Ichi Honora is in the hospital.
Well, you have to go to Onowu's house to confirm. And also go to Honora's house to find out the truth.
I'll do just that, you know.
All right. I'll be waiting for your feedback.
I'll get back to you, Igwe. I'll get back to you.
Sure.
Igwe.
Calmness of lion does not make him a weak lad. Ebunelazo weli webiogo ki malukwa makifa ko jamile di anambaka onye solutanu olilanu madu ogerianu dene. Whosoever that is leading you to danger. Opere wana mwilienu.
Who is here? Anybody home? No. Where's your father? I heard he's back.
Is that the reason you're here?
Yes. Someone told me he came back this morning.
Please tell him I'm here.
Ojoko, since I have a question for you. What did you and the Igwe do concerning my father's disappearance?
Is that question supposed to be for...
No, it's for you. Yes. You and the Igwe folded your arms, watching to know what will happen to my father. To know if my father will die or not. And you're here now asking me stupid question.
Nah. Why are you sounding like this?
Now can say that.
The Igwe and his cabinet are doing everything possible.
What can say that? Get out of this place.
Are you asking me out of your house?
Get out! Get out! Get out of this place! Tell whoever that sent you! Tell whoever that sent you that my father is not yet back! No! You and the Igwe, Ndara! You and the Igwe, Ndara! Let's stay there with me! You have to worry, you are not thinking over that. I will so deal with all of you. My father, you know who couldn't over there. No, don't worry. Who is your Igwe?
Where are you coming from?
I'm coming from Onowu's house.
You see him? I heard he came back this morning.
The drama at the Onowu's house was not a small one.
What happened?
That his son, his attitude when I asked him about his father was something else. Do you know this boy threw me out of the house and warned me never to get back to that house again?
What is wrong with him?
How will I know? He even denied that his father came back.
This is serious.
Very serious.
Why should he do that?
He said the Igwe and the council members did not secure his father's freedom.
That bomb is stupid. That's
very stupid. And I'm going to the Igwe's palace to tell him what I saw. I even want to branch at Onoche's house to find out from his people the hospital he's in.
Let's go together. Let's go.
Nonsense. Yeah? Let me see you here again. I will show the people of this community what I am made of. Ndara, is your father back? Who are you to ask if my father is back or not? Idiot. Let me see you here again. If I don't break your head, call me an idiot. I will show... Bastard. Ndara.
You were too harsh to him now.
Babako's not acting, Biko. Which one is you were too harsh on him? Yeah? Papa, 2 nights! What if you had died in their hands? 2 nights without water, without food? You be able to assume you were too harsh on him?
That was in the past. Oga Fego.
Oh, well, okay, maybe what is
Oga.
King Roland, the Oko Sisi. Oko Sisi. Oko Sisi, one of it. King Roland, the Oko Sisi. Oko Sisi. Oko Sisi, one of it. It's very mean. Iwe Oko Sisi. I'm not Nigerian. Oko Sisi, one of it. It's not.
Your Majesty. Your Majesty. Thank you. Mr. Wokem, how are you? Oh no.
Your Majesty.
How are you?
I'm fine. You in my house?
Yes. I was passing by and decided to stop over. Olisa Wokem. Get the envelope.
Yes, Your Honor.
See me in my house later, okay? I need to discuss business with you.
In your castle?
In my castle.
I'm following you already. Where now? I can see you.
Give it to him. Oh no. Here is 1 million naira.
No, I can't have 1 million naira.
Just use it and take care of yourself.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. More. Let her know. 1 billion naira, you know, if I come back. No disrespect about the king go. You know. Oh, get there. I can't wait to go there. I want to know if the king will help me travel abroad. So I'm working at like over there. But let me keep this one.
It's very me. Iwe Joko Sisi. Anu Nigeria. Joko Sisi. One of it. It must agree. Oh, everything you say. Joko Sisi. You must support me.
Wait. Even Ichere Onora, son, said he doesn't know the name of the hospital to the explanatory.
They did not even give us attention, Your Majesty. I think all is not well, oh.
Yes. You mean you did not see him at his house?
I did not see him, Your Majesty. I suggest you summon his son. He claimed his father is not back.
Very well then. I will send word across to his family and that of Onoche's family. I must find out what is going on.
That will be right, Your Majesty. I suggest you take our leave now.
It is only the leg that soil with mud enjoys everything. What a good end I had. What a good end I had.
Mother, you told me you were going for a meeting. And what does that mean? Am I forbidden from visiting my son? That's not why I'm here anyway.
So why are you here?
Roland, I've come to warn you. I've come to warn you to stop parading yourself as the Igwe of this community. And for these urchins, these street urchins you parade as bodyguards, it interests you to note that I did not even see them. It is my birthright. I'll be the next Igwe after father. So stop what you're doing. Desist.
If you think you can stop me from parading myself as the king, why don't you go ahead and do that and stop making noise?
Me making noise, Roland?
You are backing.
Parade yourself again as the king and face my wrath.
Look at your name. John Afandembu. Warn him not to visit here again. Else my boys might do something that we all will end up regretting. Remember, they don't know you are my brother, so be careful.
Call these boys, these are urchins. Mother, I am suspecting you and I'm not comfortable with the way you're handling this thing. I don't know the game you are playing. Right in front of you, my younger brother is insulting me and you could not admonish him? I'm surprised at you, mother.
I should be asking you what is going on. What are you doing here? To warn him? Are you okay? Are you okay?
I will tame him. Mark my words. I will tame Roland. Excuse me. Go and get employed. Are you guys escorting me? Oh, good. You can do that. Who? Let's go.
You're lucky this time. You might not live to tell the story the next time.
Excuse me, my prince. Do you care for some fruits? There are some in the fridge.
Chika, thank you. Let's go.
Okay, my prince.
Okay.
Brother.
Mm-hmm.
You are here.
Yeah.
Are you alright?
Go.
Yes.
I want you to tell me the truth.
Okay.
You know I've not been around when this old tussle started in the kingdom. And to be frank with you, I am beginning to doubt Mother.
Why? What happened?
Do you know I met Mother in Roland's house? Both of them were laughing and joking when they saw me. Ugo, you needed to have seen the countenance on their faces. It shows really something was amiss. Could it be that Mother is supporting Roland?
That would be strange. I mean, how could she?
I also heard she's been having series of meetings with Roland in his house. But I'll make my findings.
Please make your findings and be sure before drawing conclusion.
You're right. But I want this discussion to be classified. Mother should not be aware of this. Keep it away from her. I no longer trust Mother. Don't.
You look worried. What is it?
That's because I'm not happy.
It is written all over your face. Talk to me. What is bothering you?
My king, 5 years of marriage and nothing to show for it. I am ashamed of myself.
Are you God? Do you want to rush God? Allow God to do His thing, His way, at the appropriate time.
I know I'm not God, but heaven help those who help themselves.
Forget about that adage. Even in the Bible it is written, it's not all about he that runneth or willeth, but is of what is how do they talk about? He that the Lord showeth mercy. Do you understand?
With my king, at least let's go to the hospital and know if something is wrong with us medically.
I am medically fit. Nothing is wrong with me medically. You can go and check yourself. You can go to the hospital. I'm not stopping you. It's as simple as that.
This is my problem with you. You are not bothered. You are not concerned. Like you, 5 years of our marriage and nothing to show for it. We don't even have one child, and you're just calm about it. My king, I'm talking to you. I'm the woman here. People are laughing at me. My king.
Why, Gajifo?
Greetings. The Igwe needs your presence at the palace immediately.
I don't understand. This one you dress like Omata people. Abi, should I call you tax collectors? So I'm supposed to be afraid of you. Yeah? Who be your Igwe? Who is your Igwe?
Igwe Ochili, one of Etiti Kingdom.
I don't understand. I don't even know your Igwe.
He said you should come with me immediately.
Oh, that's wonderful. And you came to bundle me, right?
Yes, please.
Just a moment, huh?
All right, please, hurry up.
Yes, I'll be fast.
I heard you talking with someone. Who is that person?
Is he not the palace messenger? Are you going to needed my presence at the palace? Ask Guinea? No, go along. Seems you don't know me too well. Yeah? You've not asked of me in this community. They sent you to come and bundle me, and you came.
So what happened?
Papa, I chased him away now.
You did?
Yes, Papa.
Can you listen to yourself? A holy way sent somebody to call you and you chased that person out. Holy sir.
No, Papa, I don't understand though. I don't understand the way you feel sometimes. Not be an age look at how na village. Eh? Oh no, for you. Igwe will be now pay pump him in this community. Eh? Tell you anything Igwe yourself. What has Igwe done to you? What has Igwe done for you since I know you and Igwe? Osemo, Papa, don't upset me.
Are you sure of what you have just said?
Yes, Your Majesty. He chased me away with a cutlass. I had to run for my life.
You may leave.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Father, I think all is not going well with Ono. As a matter of fact, I doubt his loyalty.
Ono is the last person to lick the boot.
So, what happened to his son? Why the sudden change?
You have to ask the child as if it is what they are. That's how to find out. Honora's family are not left out. They are behaving so funny too. Last time I checked, some elders I sent to the hospital with some money to pay his bills said that their own brother, Roland, has foot the bills.
Roland? Father, this is not good news. I think there is something that is going on that you...
Papa, is you sure you are?
Yes.
I want to go and see Roland concerning the appointment you gave me yesterday.
Holy sir, I am troubled. And I don't think I can continue like this. I don't think.
I don't understand you. What are you saying?
It's alright. Just hold on. Excuse me.
I don't understand. Why you rewind me?
This morning. What is whining? Whining how? Are you calling me an actor? That I'm acting drama? There's nothing like drama here, okay? Return it. See, I have accepted to stay on my own. I do not want anything that will choke me in the nearest future. When earlier I
don't think it's choking you. Nothing is choking you. Like, if you don't need this money, I need the money.
And you return this money. I don't need it.
You know, where did you come I need this money. I don't understand. Eh? Even the way you're trying to protect, the way you're standing has not given you this kind of money before. Also return it. Look, Papa, this money can actually buy me keke napep. So return it. Return it. Look, Papa, if you look for me for 24 hours and you don't see me, just know I don't use this money to travel go Lagos. I don't use the money to go Lagos.
You see, Ichionora, my spirit is disturbed. We cannot desert from Igwe now.
Oh no. Which of the Igwes are you talking about? I see.
Can you listen to yourself? We have only but one Igwe. Igwe Ochele, one of Ekiti Kingdom. So, we cannot disappoint him more.
Forget that stingy and greedy Igwe. Now listen. I value my life more than any other thing. I cannot risk it at this crucial moment.
Are you the one talking?
Yes.
It's all right. I have returned the money he gave to me.
Amadio. You did what?
You heard me.
You should have given it to me. Now listen. Oh no, you are going to regret this.
I will regret nothing, Ichionora. I will regret nothing. Have a nice day.
Nice day too. Return the money back to Igwe. Why not give me that money? Yeah? Why not give me that money? Yeah? Aye.
Olisa.
What Sisi?
You are my man and I can do anything for you.
Exactly, I know now.
Your loyalty is not in doubt. I want you to help me convince our youths. Tell them to stand by me. Then leave the rest for me.
Just the youths. Away for us on now. The youths are already on your side. Yeah? I will need money to mobilize them.
No. It can never be a problem, okay? I will give you 500,000 mobilization fee.
500,000 naira. Listen, I will not only bring the youths of this community to you, I will add the women.
Oh, you will add the women. In that case, I will make it 1 million now.
Now stop it now. Stop it now. 1 million? What? What causes the one? Odogwa kataka. Okay, kita jisa Ozo bunisi utuneke. Ozo bunisi oral whatever 1 million naira. What's up with you now?
As for your useless father, tell him he is free to come and collect the money he rejected anytime he needs it. No help, Wala.
About my useless father, you know, my father is a very good friend of your father. And that is why he's finding it very difficult to leave him. But not to worry. I will talk to him. No, because my father Abraham Sobu. More. You can put on this. I got it okay. You go over there.
You're making too much noise.
Okay now.
This is special one. Yes, I told the Pawine Papa to make it special because you're visiting me. Is it not special? Very special. Hey! Oh no. Roland has made this home a special home. My family now is enjoying and I'm enjoying. We can now feed 3 times a day. Very unlike before.
Really?
Yes, like I said.
You see, my friend, Roland is a very good man. Sure. That is why I followed him. Yes. But his father, Ekwensu, very stingy man. And he will die in stinginess.
That stinginess will kill him.
That's right.
It will kill him. Roland has taken over and so shall it be.
He said,
yes.
I learned that John has come back and has started agitating.
That one? He came back, but there's nothing he can do. He cannot offer our people anything. Yeah. He cannot offer anything. So it is better he start going back to where he came from.
I trust Roland is going to deal with him squarely.
See them. See them, evil men. You've gathered again to plot evil against the land, isn't it? Listen, I've heard about your nefarious activities in this land. I've heard everything. But it's unfortunate that elders like you who are supposed to protect the interest and sanctity of the land will engage in plotting evil.
Point of correction, John. How can you come into this land and start insulting no one eye? Where do you see us plot evil?
Listen, the reason I've not descended on 2 of you, is because of the office you occupy. Mark my words. It's the office I'm looking at. I respect customs and tradition a lot. No, tell me, how can two of you be supporting a son to become king when the father is still alive?
Point of order.
Don't order me. Don't give me any order. How dare you? Excuse me. Listen, I've come to tell you that your plans will not work. It will not work. And I give you 24 hours. 24 hours to renounce Roland and return to status quo. This is the last time I'll warn you. Excuse me.
Do you realize you're talking to no who? He does not know.
I thought he said he's a prince. A prince will come to where others are seated and he will be talking in her and he will be insulting them and he thinks he can become a king. He has come to agitate over nothing. He will die. He will die. Yes.
But he doesn't know.
Hey, you should go start warning his brother. Did you do anything? Did you cause anything? Did you plan any evil?
So you said John came to your house and threatened you.
Your Majesty, he said so many things.
And he said we should leave you. He gave us 24 hours. Yes, 24 hours to leave you.
Yes.
Listen, don't worry about John, okay? The youths and the women are on our side.
Oh, that's a good news, Your Majesty.
So, John is just a toothless barking dog. And then Ketana Boja and that.
I told you.
Family.
Okay, Sisi.
Don't worry about what he said.
Eh.
Go back to your house and mind your business. As for John, I will take care of you.
Igwe! I'm not happy. Let's go. Who is John? Who is John? Who is John?
What are you trying to insinuate, John? What are you trying to say?
Mother, I'm yet to understand your role in this family brouhaha. Severally, I've seen you visit Roland's house. Mom, in clear terms, can you tell me what you go there to do?
Excuse me? Is Roland not my son? Am I not supposed to be seen in his house? I'm asking you!
That is not what I'm saying. That is not what I'm saying. What advice do you give him concerning his nefarious activities in this land? Tell me!
John, how dare you? How dare you ask me such useless question? Are you now judging me? I'm asking you, are you judging me?
Mom, at least you should try and understand what he's saying.
He's talking nonsense. Let me tell you, if it's the will of the gods that Roland will be the next king of this great kingdom, I repeat, the king of this great kingdom, there's nothing anybody, not even you, can do about it.
Such thoughts don't come from the gods. Such evil thoughts don't come from the gods. It only comes from devilish mind. But listen, let me tell you. That will not happen. I, Prince John, will not tolerate his excesses. And like I said, I will nip him in the bud. Mark my words. I will nip you, not you, Roland in the bud. And I don't care what happens. Excuse me.
Mother, you need to talk to Roland. He's causing confusion in this family and in this kingdom in general.
Are you stupid?
No, ma.
Ugo, are you mad?
No, Mom.
Don't you know your way to his house? Is he not your brother? Go to his house and talk to him! Don't tell me nonsense.
But you're his mother.
Hey.
Mom, he will listen to you than me. Rubbish. This is not fair. John is right. He's right about our mother. He loves and cherishes Roland because of his wealth. Every time. Every time.
Mira, 5 years of marriage. Nothing to show for it. I think people have started laughing at me.
And the worst is that my husband is not bothered.
I think both of you should visit a specialist.
I have suggested that to him, but he said he's medically okay. I don't know what to do. I'm confused.
Then maybe you should go alone. Then you explain it to him or her, whoever is there. Just explain it to the person.
Do you think I should go alone?
Yes, you should go alone. Are you just going to sit there and fold your hands because he's not interested? Don't you want to have a child?
No, but he needs to come.
I am here to see your husband.
He is out.
Chizoba.
Excuse you? You were called to me the same respect due to a queen. I am the current queen of this kingdom.
Shut up! Shut up! And who made you the queen?
You are just an ordinary princess. You dare not come to my house and insult me. You are not mad. Get out. The brother is not in.
But the one that is mad. I promise you will regret this.
I am the queen. The current queen of this kingdom. And there is nothing you or anyone can do about it.
Mama the mama. Mama lipstick mama.
You didn't tell me you're coming back.
Tell you again, Mama. But I told Papa that I'm coming back. Will I tell you separate?
You did not tell me.
Mama, it's not my fault, man. By the way, do you have 200 and let me settle the cricket man so that we'll discuss about that, eh?
Ask me if I have 200 naira.
Mama, you're a big woman now. How can you tell me you don't have 200 naira? Lose one of this.
Hey!
Mama the mama. Mama, how are you? My mama.
Thank you, man. That big.
Mama, you know, Mama, na 500. When they give me 200, what's now?
500 from here to where now? From here to here, I be 500.
Okay, no one make noise. I beg, pay my money, ma come off for you.
Yeah, take your money now.
Mama, you know, be 200. Mama, you na 500. I tell you.
Which one be 500 naira again?
Mama, you na 500. Tell ma, pay me, ma come off for you.
Yeah, you carry me.
Which one say we are from carry? You don't know we are from carry. They come here. Pay my money, ma come off for this place.
Okay, take your money.
I don't get money. I will just they enter Okada.
See your money.
Pay me my money, ma come off. Mama, no business. Mama, na 500. Must complete and give me. Oh, you complete it.
Mama,
it's 500.
Don't mind this bloody lie.
500.
We did not discuss anything, no. Don't mind this idiot. We did not discuss anything.
I'm just telling the truth.
What nonsense are you talking about?
And you must complete and give me. You must complete and
if this heaven like make it tear into two.
You go complete my money, Oga.
I take.
And my money is 500. Complete and give me. Complete and sharp.
Now fight in one fight too.
Give my money, ma come off.
Oga will not talk price.
Oga pay me, ma come off for you. I know one time.
No shout for me for my house.
Oga pay me my money. Wetin be your business? Ma no shout for you. Ma no.
I leave my clothes.
Give my money, ma come off for you. I no go leave your life. Give my money.
You see, eh?
Give my.
I know 500.
Give my money. Let me go. Give my money. Oga, give my money. Give my money.
Take your money.
My money, you must complete them for me. You must complete my money. You must. Oh, guy, you must complete my money. I know the joke. Complete my money.
Okay, leave me hand.
Complete my. Leave me.
If I go to
give my money, let me come on.
Papa, if I don't go do you practice surgery.
Okay, give my one. I go.
Leave me hand too.
Give my money. I come up for you. Give my money. Give my money.
Come on, leave me hand. Come on.
Give my money.
Take your 200 naira.
You must complete that.
Take one.
You must complete that.
If I give you 500, I make you die.
You. Oga, I just dey respect you. I dey respect you like this. I dey respect you. Give my money, come up on this place. Wetin be your own problem?
Oga, leave me first.
Thanks for the cooler. Oh no. I came to see you concerning our discussion yesterday. Are you telling me the truth that you returned the money Ronald gave to you? Eh?
Let me ask you, what do you want to hear again, John? Huh? See, I am not ready to disappoint the people of this land.
Which people of this land are you talking about? Is it the women or the youth who are already on Runa's side?
Nobody is on his side. Nobody. Don't deceive yourself. You see the people running around him. They want to collect his money. Because at the end of the day, the truth must be prevailed.
Baba, what truth are you even talking about? Yeah? Baba, you better stop saying all those things you're saying about Roland, though. Because something tells me that Roland has come to liberate this community. And you cannot stop it from reaching our family. I know what I'm saying, Uncle. You bear me witness. I know what I'm saying, Oh
no. Please and please, listen to what your son said. Go and apologize to Roland and collect the money.
I'm no longer interested. It's your honor, if you must know. Huh? I have made up my mind. Please, if that is why you are here, that one is by God.
Okay, it's well.
Mama, there's nothing in this house. I am very, very hungry.
Chibuzo, you've not told me why you came back home. You said you told your father, but you've not told me.
Mama, I have told you countless times to relax. I have already told Papa that I am coming.
Papa Listy!
You're already back?
Papa,
you already for my son. Start moving.
Papa heady.
Start moving, also, sir. You don't use a garden already in the square, and you're here.
Police has not called me. I have not received any call from Olisa. Wait. My phone is ringing. He's the one calling. Olisa, I just came back now. Okay, I'll be on my way. I'm coming. Alright, I'm coming. Oh, yeah, move now. You're wasting time. Do you have 5,000 naira? Let me use and eat. I'm very hungry.
So, you don't have money?
Papa heady. Papa Oishiba heady.
Because I know you're going to bring money in this house. 10,000.
Papa.
Move now.
Papa Listy.
Will you move?
Papa, I'll see you later. I'm coming now.
That's my boy. Mama. Big money will come to this house today. Isn't them?
What is going on here?
Where? Here.
What is going on here? Why did you bring him?
You've not heard about it. Other youths are gathered already at the square. They are waiting to share the money Roland brought. Huge amount of money. As he's coming back now, he's coming back with millions.
Is that why you asked him to come back home?
He came back to join other youths to support Roland. Roland has mapped out huge amount of money for the youths. And as he's coming back now, he will come back with millions of naira. And I know you will be asking of money. Please, can you come and give me food? I'm famished.
What have I done to this man? So he has finally decided to drag Chibuzo into this mess. I know he can never tell Ifeanyi about this, because Ifeanyi will never support him. Anyway, let Chibuzo come back to this house first. Let him come back.
These are the representatives of all the youths of this great land. Yeah? And of course, we had our first general meeting today. So after the meeting, we decided, or should I say, we said that it's a must we come here and greet you. And to let you know again that we all, the youths of this land are solidly behind you.
Igwe, we are behind you. In fact, we are meeting with all the youth of this land tomorrow, and including the women of this great kingdom. Exactly. We also assure you to secure all their support for you, Your Majesty.
Thank you very much for believing in me. Thank you. You see, Etiti has been wallowing in darkness for so long. Poverty everywhere. But don't worry. Okosisi is here to bring light. Tell them I'm supporting them with the sum of 10 million naira.
Hey! Your Majesty, you will live forever. You will reign.
10 million naira! 10 million naira! 10 million naira! 10 million naira! Oh, give me 10 million!
10 million! 10 million!
King Roland the Okosisi, 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 one of it. King Roland the Okosisi, Okosisi.
You know why I called you here? This should be for our ears alone. Do not disclose it to anybody. Alright? Look, we're going to share 6 million naira out of this money. Don't disclose it to anybody. 6 million naira now, so come 6 million. 2 million naira each. Remove 6 million naira. What are you saying?
600,000 or 6 million.
Bro, 6 million naira now.
6M.
6M, 2 million naira each. What are you saying? Yeah? And look, as soon as the money drops into my account, I will let you know.
Okay.
Alright? Do not disclose this to anybody.
Why?
Not at all. Not at all.
Why?
There is something I want to ask. So how do we share the remaining
4 million?
4 million.
What are you talking about now? We cannot share the remaining 4 million.
Okay.
We'll bring out 3 million naira, share to the youths in general. Then keep 1 million in our account. Bros, if we share the whole money, what's up with you? What's up with you?
I like the sound of this.
What's up with you?
Okay, why?
And again. An announcement will be made this night.
Okay.
Right? We are going to tell the whole women of this community to come out at our village square tomorrow morning. Yeah? So from that 1 million naira in our account, we'll give them small change, to convince them. Yeah? Bring them to our side to support us with their full force. What's up with you? What's up with you?
What time are we talking about like this?
Okay.
I said tomorrow morning. Let me say around that kind 8:30.
8:30.
You hear me?
What's the time they share money?
2 million naira each.
Are you aware that Roland has been mobilizing the youth and women of this land to support him? They had their meeting today at the village square and he shared money to each and every one of them.
Who gave you this piece of information?
I had an interaction this evening with someone when I was strolling down. The girl made me understand that Roland has gone far in winning people's mind with money.
Have you told father about this?
No, just you.
Is mother aware of this?
No, mother is not aware.
Is mother aware of what?
Mother, Roland has been mobilizing the youth and women of this land to support him. and he ended up winning their hearts with money.
Really?
Yes.
Your father should not know about this yet. Because of his health. I will see Roland tomorrow.
Mother, you mean I should not tell father about
Don't. Please. Not yet. Allow me to handle it.
Listen. I'm your mother. Ignore her completely. I don't trust her anymore. Father should be aware of this. Do you get it? Tell father everything.
I don't trust Mother either.
At all.
How can she tell me not to tell father about this?
Mother, why are we here? Well, I called you out here to tell you something very, very confidential and a secret I share with your father. Okay. But it's about John, your brother. Actually, John is not your biological brother.
How do you mean, Mother?
Well, he's the son of your father's first wife. Though she died 5 months after giving birth to him. Yes. I was told that he was adopted due to pressure. Just for her to save her marriage, she adopted John, and she died 5 months after that. When I got married to your father, we decided to keep it a secret. But now I felt you should know the truth. Though I have told your brother about it. That is why he's acting the way he is acting. Because your father have decided that John will take over the throne when he is gone.
Mother, are you sure you're telling me the truth?
Of course I'm telling you the truth. Of course I'm telling you the truth. John is not your brother. So, stop referring him as your brother. Mom is an adopted child.
Okay, well, if you say so.
Oh no, this is why I'm here. Please, can you tell me what the problem is?
You are welcome, my prince. There is no problem. Your father is a good man. My very good friend. In fact, we have been friends before he became the king. I will do him no evil. Huh? You see, your father still have my support till tomorrow. Huh? Uh-huh.
Oh no, what you just said now is a contrast to the present reality. You and I know you've been avoiding the palace. You've not been coming around. You even avoid my father. I know a number of times my daddy has sent messages to you that you ignored. Oh no, I want to believe there is something you're not telling me.
My prince, I have said all you need to know. My absence from the palace is because of my health. My health, since after the kidnap incident in Watachabamon, I'm still trying to regain myself.
Bro, what's this nigga doing here? Tell him to leave.
I hope you know who you are talking to, the prince of this land.
Taba now. He's a no prince. This guy seated here is a bastard. No one name bastard now.
Well, listen, what did you just call me?
No, shut up! Okay, shut up your mouth. What did you just call me? Now, when look, the truth about you has been revealed. Alright? You're a common bastard. Your mother is from the north. It's here, I don't know, but easy the prince. Who are you? He has 7 boys before I descend on you. Get out of this place. Papa, tell him to leave you.
Olisa, will you stop that? How dare you talk to the prince of the land in such manner? In Apwala. Huh?
There's no prince, Papa.
No, it's okay. I will leave.
I'll say I will leave. That's so good. Now one now. Say I will leave.
Only sir.
Papa, it's because of you. Now one now. I say I will leave. That's no. I don't go to the jail because I will leave when you show right.
Ugo. Ugo, I've never been humiliated like this in my life before. Do you believe the Noah's son called me a bastard?
How did he know? I mean, how could he?
I have not been myself since I came back. I feel like a part of me is missing. I'm going to deal decisively with that boy for causing me such embarrassment.
Oh, come on, John. It's okay. Everything is going to be fine. Just be yourself. It's okay.
I will make sure Father hear about this. I will tell Father everything. That boy will not go scot-free. Excuse me.
Who does he want to go and tell Father? What must that be?
Roland is not going to be my successor. I have a son, John.
Your Highness, is John really your son? Let's stop deceiving ourselves.
Excuse me?
Well, Your Highness, I have uncovered the truth about John's true paternity.
What did you mean by John's true paternity?
Well, nothing is hidden under the sun forever. Someone, somewhere is aware that your late first wife adopted John from birth to save her dying marriage.
I was born a child, but I was not born in the night.
Really?
So,
Greetings, Father. Mother, greetings. I was at Onowo's place to find out why he's been avoiding the palace. But to my greatest dismay, the son came out and called me a bastard.
Excuse me?
Daddy, you have an idea as to why Olise called me a bastard?
He has no right to call it such fearful name.
It's alright. I'll debrief you on what I discussed with Ono tomorrow. But excuse me, Father.
Excused. It's alright.
What did he discuss with that old fool?
What have you been telling people about my son?
I don't understand.
Baby, eat my money. In fact, eat all of them. Eat everything. See what will form there. Just finish everything. In fact, let me pass it to you. Just take.
Oh, wait, remember you promised me 100,000 now.
Forget about that. Was 100,000. I will make it up to you 150,000. You use it to do whatever you want to do. Anything at all is for you. Eat everything.
See, I love you so much.
Eat everything.
You're the sweetest man on earth.
Eat it. My money. Eat it.
Please make it one plate. So I'll buy for it.
What is this? What is going on here?
Mama, what is it?
Is this why you came back?
Mama, what is it? My girlfriend is greeting you and you're not responding to her. What is it?
Get out from this house before I lose it. Get out! I'm talking to you. Get out before I regret coming here. Get out!
Mama, why? Why are you chasing my visitor out?
You're asking me why?
This is the girl I want to marry. My father accepted that, so why should it be you? Why do you want to be a barrier to me?
You're asking me. I said get out!
Go where? You're not moving an inch here. Sit here. Don't worry, don't. She's my one. I know how to eat. Eat your. Mama, what is this? Mama, what is the meaning of this?
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you?
Why are you chasing my...
What is wrong with you? Anoman, look at you. Look at what you're doing.
Why did you chase her away, Mama?
Anoman. Mpama.
What would make Onowe's son call my son a bastard? And my wife came up with a story that someone told her that John is not my son. Did she tell Roland the same thing? Is that why Roland suddenly declared himself the Igwe while I'm still alive? I need to think about this. Come in.
Father, John has been arrested by the policemen that came here.
What do you mean John has been arrested? Why?
They said he's a kidnapper and a criminal.
Oh, so where are they?
They have taken him away.
What do you mean?
Babes, I went to the hospital to see the doctor, and the doctor said I am perfectly okay. He even asked about my husband.
And what did you tell him?
What else? I told him what my husband said. He said I should try to convince him to come to the hospital and do some checkup. But you know my husband now. All he cares about now is the kinship. He does not even bother about us having a child.
Look, you have to try. You have to try, like convince him. Make him understand that he needs somebody to take over the throne after him. So you have to try, convince him, talk to him, he'll understand.
I have. Trust me, I have done everything. I have tried to make him to understand that I need a child, like I want my own baby, you know. But I'm surprised that he's not even bothered at all.
See no human being. He needs someone to take over the throne after him.
Exactly.
Push it for his dream as occupy his time. I don't understand. You just have to try and convince him.
Exactly my point. I have done everything. But I'll keep trying because I'm the woman here. I need the child.
You have to try. Tell him he needs this child. Try.
Okay. Thank you.
It's fine.
Dala. I know Chibuzo and Uchenna will never rest because of this money. But don't worry, I'll keep posting them until everything is over. Then I will leave these fellas before they know it. So, in their mind I should bring 10 million naira for us to share. A whole 10 million naira. These people are greedy. 10 million naira. The very opportunity I've been looking for. With 10 million naira in my account, I can start a new life.
leave this village and start a good business with 10 million naira. They want us to share. Nanda they are too greedy. Very, very greedy people. Dala.
Who is here?
Olisa! Olisa!
Who is there?
Olisa!
Good afternoon, sir. You want to bring down my house? Yeah? If you are looking for Olisa, Olisa is not in this house. He left this house since morning and he has not returned. So I don't know what you people are doing. Huh?
Sir, tell Olisa to see us. Tell him to see us. He has been dodging us for God knows the reason. Tell him to see us.
Anything the matter?
I don't know. Just deliver our message.
Iche, deliver our message to Olisa. Tell him to see us so he should not joke with us at all. He should not joke with us because when we will come back here again. He should not joke with us. Oh my God, I told here.
Olisa.
Doctor, please, let's go. Hold on, I'm coming. Let's go.
Do you have an idea of what happened at the palace this morning?
I don't know. I saw Princess rushing down from the staircase. She could not even respond to my greetings.
I can feel it. Something must be wrong somewhere.
Something must be wrong somewhere.
And I need to find out. There is something wrong.
Oh no.
Your Majesty.
I know you're surprised I called you that name. Yes. I have returned your position to you because you are a good man despite your shortcomings. I have forgiven you for your attitude towards me when I gave you money. That's all in the past. I need you on my side. I need you in my team. So I am inviting you to an executive meeting tomorrow at my place, 10 a.m. Be there.
Your Majesty, I am too small for this offer. Why not look for another person in our land? We still have some noble men in our land that can do better than what I did with your father.
I choose who I work with, not the other way around. And all my life, no one has ever said no to me. So you can't start now. Be in my house tomorrow, 10 a.m. Do not fail. Oh no, I repeat, do not fail.
What is